Hey guys, today we are going to have a rocking good time. Now I know you probably think I have rocks in my head or I am stuck between a rock and a hard place, but I want to assure you I am not rocking the boat. So let's rock and roll out of here. And by the way, don't these puns just rock? Hi, and welcome to the craft table. And I promise, no more rock puns. I'm totally out. Today's little tutorial is going to be with these rocks. I am fascinated by the pebble art, and it's so easy, and everything that I'm using today came from the Dollar Tree. Again, my favorite place. So let's get right into it, and I'll show you what you're gonna need, okay? This is it. You're going to need some rocks, and I picked this bunch of stones up from the Dollar Tree. It comes in a big bag. They're all different sizes, shapes, even colors. These are optional. They're little plastic hearts. I got them at Valentine's Day from the Dollar Tree. And I am going to be using one of these. You can use anything your little imagination calls for. You're going to need a twig. Came right out of my yard. Didn't run down to the Dollar Tree for these. I just went outside. A 5x7 frame. Dollar Tree. A Sharpie. Black. Pair of scissors. Glue gun, and one piece of cardstock or construction paper. I'm going to use white, but any color that you prefer. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Super simple. And I'm going to keep the whole thing super simple. You're gonna love it. Honest. It's cute as a button. So, let's get to work. Didn't I say this was going to be as cute as a button? I mean, I'm in love with it. I totally love it. And how easy, right? Two little tiny rocks, a little heart, a twig, and a frame. Make a cute little anniversary present. You could put the names at the bottom and the year, or just like this, sitting anywhere. Adorable. So, I hope you enjoyed. I know it was little bitty tiny, but how it doesn't have to cost a mint, and it doesn't have to be complicated to be beautiful. And this to me is really beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, hit a thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down if you must. Leave me a comment. Tell me what I could have done better. Or if you liked it. And hit the subscribe, because I'm still very, very erratic, and I am working on it, I promise. So I hope you have a great week and a rock and roll day. I had to get one in there. See you later.